So today, the US Security and Exchange just exposed a massive market manipulation scheme. That's why we have a lot of price for a lot of stocks going down, because there's a manipulation, and this is a confirmation for that. Let's get right to it and see what's going on with the market, even with this manipulation, where the price will reverse for many stocks and where we're gonna see a buying pressure for institution, because the price value always hit a level of support in technical wise, and this will give us a glimpse of the price reverse. First, we're gonna talk about CIs. We talked about this massive support around the 0.70, and we said we're gonna consolidate until we have a confirmation from the 10K. That's why we still don't have a confirmation for the 10K. Still never overcome this exponential average, and the price jumped today pre-market almost 10%, then gravitate down again with the market open. However, we're still holding above the 0.70. What we said last time, this is a balancing between the buyer and the seller. That's why the price gravitating above those level of support and resistance. We need a push from the fundamental to have a buying pressure to overcome this level of resistance around the $1. The $1 is still resistant for the CEI, and 0.70 cent ATR, the first or the number one short squeeze play on Reddit, is still have a struggle to overcome the $5.80 after a lot of manipulation happening, and confirming that from the SEC today. We have to overcome the $5.80 to have another squeeze for ATER around the $8.16, and again, if we don't, we're gonna have the price go back, gravitate around the $4. This will confirm everything for the buying pressure coming in. Again, we got a lot of questions from our viewers regarding what brokerage I'm using. I'm using Momo, which is give you 5 free stocks with my link in comment section below if you deposit $100. And one of the good things as well, we have a full extended trading hours here, pre-market and after hours. There's a privilege to trade on those market on Momo, and there is no fees for US user when you trade on Momo. For Indo is trading around the 18.40, and we're still holding above the 1840. So let me just see what's going on. First, let me bring my indication Lux Algo Premium to get a bit of confirmation breakout zone for Indo by using Lux Algo Premium and Trading View. If you want to use Lux Algo Premium, the link in comment section below to get discount. Here you can see the Lux Algo Premium just show us that the breakout zone will be around the 25 near the 29. Other one breakout zone as we have perfectly near our resistance, the 46, where we're gonna see a massive other squeeze. The institution profile and where they bought, we can see they bought perfectly around this level of exponential average, around this massive big wick. If we still holding for Indo above this exponential average, we're gonna see a accumulation. The first signal for a jump will be the 22. If we overcome it and close above it, we're gonna see a test with 29, then the 36. So the first confirmation for bullish trend forming is the 22.23 and holding this support. Next up we have AMC. Let's go to AMC. AMC broke from the 1777, and that's why the price went down. And this is kind of one of the manipulation one-on-one. That's why the price didn't hold the 33.87, and the price went crazy down without any holding, any support. So what we should expect right now, we need to test the 1777 again. If we don't overcome it, just be ready for the 12, around the 12 this time, or 11. There is a big buying pressure for this box again for AMC. A big buying pressure will happen here. This will confirm one thing: if we were gonna continue to go down, the 1777 is the first resistant, and the strongest resistant or the squeeze area is still around the 2089 for AMC. NFLX is still going down. It's still going down because last time we did chart analysis here on Trading View community, and as well on our Patreon, because we always do alert pre-market. And last time we did for Tesla, last time we did for Netflix, what we said that 237 is the resistance for us, and if we don't overcome it, we continue to go down. So don't buy. So this was a good idea to don't buy Netflix. Even a lot of my viewers and hunters suggest to buy the first jump down after the bad revenue that we have and the bad earning that we have for Netflix. And the good idea is never jump in when the price go gap down like this. Don't think about the profit that you can make, but think about where the institution will buy. There's no buying pressure. We don't see any green candle. We don't see any holding for any support. That's why I suggest for my hunters on Patreon, don't buy. Just wait for the price to come to us, which is the 180. Right now, 190. So we're gonna see a nice buying pressure happening here around the 180. And we want to confirm again, we need to hold above the 180, because if we don't hold 140, it will be the next support. So why you buy around the 236 if you could buy it around the 180? Come on, this is a nice discount. So always be patient, let the price come to you. So right now Netflix getting near our strong support. So what we should see right now, a consolidation. What I mean by consolidation is green candle and holding above the 180. This will be a pre-signaling for 180 is our bottom. Otherwise, if we just went down and test this level of support and make it resistant, we gonna have the 140 will be, my opinion, the nice jump or nice bottom for Netflix. Next up, we have NILE. We went from our support, the 0.51. That's why we going down. You see, we didn't hold. That's why the price continued to go down. That's why I suggest if we don't hold the 0.51, just stay clear from NILE right now, because we have two resistance confirmed. $1, 0.5, second one, 0.72. Two tests and the price go down. That mean the short seller in control. And if we go to Lux Algo Premium down here, Lux Accelerator, we can see it is in red. So be careful. Right now turning green here a bit, but we got fake out and turning red again. So we want to have a reverse and turning green and overcome the 0.51 and holding above the 0.51 to confirm there is a pre-signaling for buying pressure happening for NILE. Otherwise, any price below the 0.51, I will be clear from NILE right now. And again, there's a massive market manipulation, as we talked about in the video. There is a massive manipulation happening for the market. So be careful. Always have the technical with you, because the fundamental, we can use the fundamental by itself, use the technical with it. Confirmation, always have a confirmation. For me, I use the Lux Algo Premium Accelerator and my technical indicator and my chart and support and resistance to confirm if the price will reverse, if we have a bottom or yet, and then I will trade. Be safe. Trade wisely, let the price come to you, never run after the price. I will do updates daily, so hit the notification and see you in the next update.